Hi, my name is Hilda Pedraza and I'm one of the assistant city managers for the city of Pharr. One of the departments that I oversee is Public Works Department, and today we're here to inform the public about the projects, some of the projects that they're doing, which is the canal maintenance. We have a project going on as well for the widening of the canals. What is this going to do? They're going to widen the canals to provide more water flow for when it rains, to keep the water off the streets. We believe that this project is very important because it's going to help us keep the water off the street when it rains. It's going to prevent flooding. It's going to prevent health hazards. The mayor and the city commission decided to do this project to help with that.
My name is Luis Marin. I'm the Streets and Drainage Supervisor for Public Works. We are here on North Knights off of East Ferguson. And as you can see, we're right here at one of the canals, one of the projects the city's doing, which is to widen the canals. As you can tell right here, it looks like it's just like the first day it was created. It looks brand new. We had some rain yesterday, and the water has already receded. So that's one of the main reasons that the city of Pharr is doing this project. Our maintenance project that we have with the city, with Public Works, is dredging the canal. I'm happy to announce that we're like 95% done from doing the entire city from Owasso all the way to Military. We started in January, we were aggressive. What we do with dredging is we clean the base of the canal, take all the vegetation out, and spread all the debris or the vegetation to the banks without removing the vegetation that's underneath. This is a different type of project. They actually expanded it. The importance on the widenings of the canal, which is key, is now the capacity of the canal is going to be larger. As before, you know, how many cubic feet of water it held, now it's going to be holding a lot more, which is going to be getting that water flow off your streets and into the canals. What we're hoping and our goal is to at least do the entire city twice a year, every 6 months of dredging the canal. So if we continue, if we have the resources, and if residents can also be advocates also. If you notice anybody putting pallets or sofas, there's numbers at the edge of each canal with a phone number that you can report it, and we can address it. Or communicate with your neighbors, hey, look, when you do that, that's only hindering the water flow, plugging up the pipes, causing damages to your homes and vehicles. So be an advocate, don't hesitate to call. We'll be happy to go out and investigate and assist on pulling some of the debris out. But we need y'all's help, and we're here to do city maintenance.
We encourage all the residents to take their trash or debris to our residential collection station, which is located on Veterans Road and Mako Drive. This is not just the city of Pharr, it's a team effort. The citizens, the city, Public Works, we all come together and make this happen.